What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, man. I just wanted to tap in with y'all right quick, man, to let y'all know, man, the Cool Gray 11 did shock drop today, bruh. And your boy is waiting to see if he took a W on it, man. Listen, we haven't seen this sneaker since 2010. And hopefully your boy get the W so I can bring the review to y'all, man. Listen, I love the way that this sneaker is coming out this year, bruh. You know, I don't know how y'all feel about the icy blue sole. I think it's better than the clear sole, bruh. You feel what I'm saying? And I also will run a few pictures of whatnot up here, man, so y'all can see the sneaker, so y'all can give me y'all opinion about it down there in the comment section, man. But listen, not only that, bro, they got a few other sneakers that been pushed back, man. The Del Sol 13s, the Red Thunder 4s, man. You know, the Red Cardinal 3s. That's still a markup picture. We haven't got the official images of that yet, man. Also, I think the Court Purple 13s, and it's one more, man. I think it's the Air Jordan 1 Marina Blues, man. They also been pushed back as well, man. But if you follow me on Instagram, bro, you can go ahead and check my posters out. I do keep you up to date on release dates and as well as if things have been pushed back or whatnot, man. So tap in with me over there on IG, man, and you will get all the information that you need, man. But like I said, I just wanted to come up here and let y'all know these sneakers did drop. And if you don't hit your pair, man, don't be discouraged today, bro, because there are plenty of players that will be dropping come December 11th, man. So don't get your hopes crushed or anything like that, man. You will have an opportunity to hit this sneaker on plenty of other apps, or maybe even go stand in line, bro, at your local stores, bro, on release date and be able to come out with your pair. So with that being said, man, I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, man, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, man, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.